Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a good start to your day. Here's today's meeting, our video about our meetings and the work to be done. Again, go to the classwork section of the Google Classroom of ours Google Classroom. And when you hit schedules, week 3, you will see Wednesday has its own category because it's our only virtual day for everyone. So you'll watch this video. Our morning meeting is at 8:45. Go to the morning meeting link and you will see it there. At 9:45 to 10:30, we're going to do a group project. And then your child should also complete one Zern lesson on their own. They can be done at any point today. Complete 30 minutes of Lexia Core 5, and then meet with the integrated arts teachers. I just sent everyone an email with the links for those meetings that start at noon. It's a great way for your kids to check in on each specialist that they haven't seen. And that's why we were asked to clear our schedule for Wednesday afternoons, and there's fewer meetings Wednesday morning to allow kids to have the ability to attend these meetings and just have the ability to not be in front of a computer all morning and then do another afternoon of meetings. So that is the schedule for today. I hope to see everybody online at 8:45. If you have any questions, just email me. And I hope you all have a great day. Take care.